free. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get update with our latest video. Eat 3 well-balanced meals a day to lose belly fat. Eating 3 well-balanced meals a day can help cut down on your body. Each meal should include a mixture of whole grains, fruits, veggies, and lean protein. Stop drinking soda. Even diet soda can increase fat around your belly. Ditch the soda, diet or regular, and instead drink flavored waters. If you miss the fizz of soda, you can try carbonated water. Eat more fiber to get rid of back fat. Fiber will keep you fuller for longer, which can decrease your cravings for junk food. The empty calories from junk food tend to create fat buildup in your back, so eating more fiber can actually help decrease back fat. Substitute regular bread and pasta for whole wheat versions, and add beans and nuts to your diet. Cut sugar from your diet. If you consume too much sugar, your body will produce more insulin and store more fat. Stay away from candy and junk food that has a lot of sugar. Also check the nutrition label on your favorite foods. Even low sugar versions might have more sugar than you think. Stick to between 0 to 2 grams, 0.0 to 0.071 ounces of sugar in each serving of food. Control your portion sizes. If you're not paying attention how much you're eating at each meal, it doesn't matter what you're eating, you can decrease the amount you eat by using a smaller plate for meals, pre-proportioning snacks, and using measuring cups to measure your portions. Don't eat after dinner. If you eat too close to bedtime, your body won't have the chance to burn enough calories to prevent your body from storing fat. Once you've had dinner, try not to eat for the rest of the night. If you find yourself getting hungry, you can try drinking water or tea.